To access your workouts, you'll go to the kettlebell at the bottom of the screen. You'll then click on the workout that you want to do. You can schedule workouts for the future. Once scheduled, you'll be able to see them on your main dash on the day that you're supposed to do it, and you'll also be able to see them in your calendar. If you'd like to look at workouts before you're actually ready to do them, you can click on any of the exercises and see what you're going to be doing for that day. Each exercise has a video attached with it that you can click on. Once you hit start now, your workout will begin and you'll proceed to do each exercise in order. When you come to a rest, you can hit the start to start the timer, or you can also manually select timer at the top of the screen. As you perform exercises, you'll enter the amount of reps or weight that you were able to do for each exercise, and then rest in between sets. And then once you've filled in everything and get to the bottom of the workout, you will hit save. At the end of a set, you can also add sets if you want to do more, and you can also insert exercises if you want to add in other exercises. You can scroll through the exercise library, or you can search for an exercise by name. Once you find the exercise you want to add in, just hit the blue plus sign, or you can add multiple and then hit done, and it will be added to the bottom of your workout. Lastly, if you hit the three dots next to any exercise, you can also substitute it for a different one if it's too difficult to perform, or if you just want to trade it out for any reason. You can also leave comments on your workout that will send to your trainer, and once you're done, you'll just hit save. You can rate the workout by sliding this icon. There's also another opportunity for you to add a comment here. Then hit done. Any badges you've earned will show up here, and then your workout will show up as completed on your main dash. You can go back in and see everything you did, and the next time you do the same workout, the stats from your previous one will show up on the right-hand side with how many reps you were able to do. You can also click on it to see the full breakdown. Last of all, if you need to undo anything, you can edit the stats after the fact. You can move it to another day if you saved it for the wrong day. You can edit the workout, or you can revert it back to scheduled. And then obviously you can also delete it. One last thing I should mention is if you want to move your workout to another day, you can go back into your calendar and reschedule it if you want, or if you just want to move one individual workout, you can click on it and you can just move to another day. All right, that's it for workouts.